Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So today, girlies, we are going to glam myself up with all the XX Revolution makeup products. I did a poll on my Insta stories, which you can see right here, and yes, this palette won. So you guys wanted me to create a look using this palette, so that's what I'm going to do today. But I have a little bit of a confession. I recorded the video with this look. I'll leave the picture here so you guys can see what it looks like. But oh my god, so I was about to edit it and I literally deleted the whole footage. I was absolutely gutted because I was quite impressed with what I came up with, but because I'm a one-hit wonder, I can't remember how I did it. So we're going to create another look today, just go with the flow and see what happens. So sorry guys, I was so impressed with what I did. But anyway, let's get into today's video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. Welcome to all my lovely new subscribers. Thank you so much. This means the world to me. Grab a drink, whatever it is, sit comfortably and let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start off with primer, obviously, and I'm going in with the Cloud Complexion. This stuff literally blurs out everything and gives you that amazing flawless look. So I'm just going to apply, take some here. It's like mousse. It's like froth. Make a coffee and you put the milky froth. That's what it is. That's exactly what it is. I'm just going to apply here, and it's really nice because it gives you a nice cooling sensation as well, so you're getting the nice hydration as well that your skin needs, especially in this heat, this weather. It's so hot and it smells of coconut. I mean, it's just like holiday mode completely. So it's just literally all blended in. Oh my god, it smells so good. I'm obsessed. Okay, and then we're gonna go in with, should we do the eyes first? Let's do the eyes first. So I'm gonna go in with the eye primer, and this is in the shade Basic. I'm not sure if there's any more shades or this is just the one, I'm not sure, but there's gotta be some more shades to match your skin type. So just gonna apply that there and then blend in with my lid a nice even base and something for the eyeshadow to literally latch onto. Okay, so I haven't done my eyebrows since March. The last time was before lockdown and they're starting to get out of a bit of control now. I tried to do them myself, tell a lie, I tried to do them myself during lockdown and I ruined them, and I just left them to grow on their own. I thought they would be a lot worse than what they are, but you know what, they're going back to their natural state. Like, oh my god, it is gonna absolutely kill me when I get my eyebrows done, but I can't wait to get them done. I love that nice sleek look. Apply a bit more. So if you hear my daughter in the background at any time, please, I'm so sorry. She has seriously got one on her. She's put it in her head that she wants a McDonald's at this time of the night and she's not having it, and she's having a full-on meltdown over there. So ignorance is the best thing and she will get over it. Okay, so that's all done. Right then, we're gonna go in with this gorgeous palette. This is the one that you all chose on the polls that I did. It won by like 95%, I think. Thank you to, there was so many votes. I was really shocked. So you guys are so excited to check out this palette as much as I am. So I'm going to take a fluffy brush and I'm using the gorgeous Brush Junkie brushes, and can I just say this collection is amazing. I've got it all the collection here, and there is an amazing offer on at the minute. £16 for the whole set, reduced from £49.99. So I will leave the link down below. Go and check them out because they are fab brushes. They're gorgeous and soft. Owner is absolutely amazing. So yeah, go and check them out. These brushes are mine. These are ones that I actually purchased, but I actually was sent a set in PR as well. So you guys need to go and check them out. They are stunning. There's about 11 brushes in the set. For £16, you can't go wrong. So go and check those out. Okay, so let's get into this eye look. Right, so I'm taking the fluffy brush as I was going on about, and then I'm going to take this lovely pink colour here. I'm feeling pink today, so it's like a raspberry pink, bit lighter, a fuchsia pink I think, and then just going to take that, tap off any excess, and then we're going to go into the crease using that. gonna go in with, let's go in with a flat brush. I'm gonna go in with this little shimmery here. Or should we go for the light one? Let's go for the lighter one. I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to go just over the top with that shade there because it looks gorgeous. Oh yeah. And I'm just going to apply it here on the corner. And then I'm going to take a pencil brush and I'm going to dip it into this amazingness here. Absolutely stunning. And I was saying that it's a really good highlighter as well. There's that. And I'm thinking I'm just going to go in with a slightly darker shade. Maybe this brown here. Okay. Right then, we'll come back to and finish under eyes once we've applied the foundation. So we're going to go in with this is the Glow, the Luminous foundation. And it's in FX7 foundation shade. Put it on there. I'm going to go in with a flat kabuki brush, which is, I love how to apply foundation with that. And judging by this, it dries really quick. So you have to be really quick with it. Got a slight scent to it, but I promise you it's gonna make your skin look flawless and glowy. If you've got oily skin, you might not like the the illuminating look to it, but you can just matte that down with setting powder or pressed powder just to get that coverage that you need, and so that it doesn't seep through by the end of the day. Go in the hairline. You see how it's giving me that nice natural glow. Absolutely love it. You know me with my little highlight and bronzing stuff. My hair is everywhere, so you probably notice a bit of grey in my hair. It's not grey, it's dry shampoo. I literally applied this and it went everywhere, and it just went like a massive white patch just there. So yeah, that's what it is, and can't wait to get my hair done. I probably won't get it done now because my sister normally does it for us, but she's due to have a baby, so by the time she can touch her hair, she's due to have the baby, so I'm gonna have to wait a bit longer. That's the foundation. It is a medium to full coverage, I'd say. It looks a lot lighter on screen, but it actually is a good match for me. It's weird, and I don't think the white top's helping either. Next, we're gonna go in with the concealer, and this is CX 4.5. Oh God. Okay, and then we're just gonna go under the eyes. Take my super sponge and then just blend all that out. Absolutely love this sponge. So this concealer dries out really quick as well, so you need to be fast, but it's really doing what it's supposed to be doing. I have to go in again and squeeze that. Got silicone in this, so it's really squidgy, and that just basically means that the majority of the product stays on the outside of the sponge and doesn't suck in like a normal beauty blender. So you are saving a lot of product, and it is literally going onto, what is that? Got a slight dry patch there. I have been slacking with my water today. That's probably what it is. Go in with some setting powder, do a bit baking, and then we're just going to take a big brush like so. Got like a mesh and just blend that there. Actually dry me out. So I feel like it's not like my skin to be very dry like that. I must be very dehydrated because it's very humid today. I will just leave that to dry out and then I'll blow that away. Well, not blow it away, but dust it away. packaging is stunning, isn't it? Okay, so next up, let's go in with some bronzer. So I'm going to go in with this bronzer right here. I love this. And then go in with contour brush. You can even use it as a highlighter. It's so nice. It literally just glides on. I haven't got a very big forehead, so I don't really need that much bronzer there. You want to sculpt down the neckline as well. Give us some definition and a nice chiseled look. Look, I've taken about £5 off my face already. Okay, and then I'm just going to take my big bronzer brush that I love and then just blend that out. I can't remember if I said I even showed you the picture that I did the other day of what I look created, but I'll put another insert up here so you guys can check it out, the look that I did create. I went with golds and like bronzy type colours, more dressy, but I wasn't feeling it today, so I thought I'd go more pink, and then I'll just finish the shade like this, put my lashes on and everything like that. Oh yeah, lashes, I'll put them on now. So I'm just going in with Spectrum's Dark Matter Mascara just to coat my lashes. And then we're going to go in with the Brush Junkie eyelashes in the code is BJ03. I'll write the name of what they are because I can't remember, but they are nice and fluffy and gorgeous, as you can see. So we will just get these prepared, and then I will quickly go offline, put them on and come back. Okay, just going to finish up the eyeshadow then, and then take away the setting powder. Okay, I'm gonna go put the lashes on and be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I've put my lashes on. I've done my eyeliner because you know I'm very weird about me putting eyeliner online. What do you think? These lashes are huge, but they're stunning. Okay, so now we're going to put a little bit of blusher on. Go in with some blusher, which is this gorgeous colour here. Where we're going to go with some blusher. I need a blusher brush. I like that it's nice and subtle, so it doesn't look like too clowny. Okay, that's that. And then we're going to go in with some highlight, obviously, which is ta-da here. Use this gorgeous highlighting brush. Oh wow, just look at that. Love highlight, you know me. And then we're just going to apply here. Done it! Okay, and then on the other side. Come on, we've got to put some on the edge of the nose as well, haven't we? And then Cupid's bow. And look at that highlight. Okay, then we're going to go in with lip. I forgot to get a lip liner. Do I have one here? No. Right then. Do I go not nude? I'm thinking the light colour pink, because then it'll be too much dark pink, won't it? So let's go with the light pink and then put this on top of that. Amazing. I am so dehydrated. Should have gone with a lip liner. And we're going to go in with this Sugar Bomb Sparkle Shimmer Bomb. Oh, that's amazing. It's spitting at me again. I don't know why. There you go. So it's very subtle on the lips and nice and powerful on the eyes. What do you think of this look, guys? This is all the XX Revolution collection. It's finished off with a bit of a setting spray. There you go, so here it is. Give it a thumbs up if you like this look. I'm going to comment and I'm going to leave all the links down below for all the products so you guys can go and check it out. I will leave you the link as well for the Brush Junkie brushes. You need to go and get them. They are gorgeous brushes. Give us a thumbs up, guys. Let me know what you think. What is your favourite product from the XX Revolution collection? Have you got it? Are you planning on getting it? Let me know, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you all on my next video. Bye.